Introduction. As we grow older, our bodies change, and so do our nutritional needs. For seniors, eating healthy becomes even more important. Unfortunately, some common food and drink combinations can do more harm than good. According to health experts, certain combinations may increase the risk of cancer, especially when consumed often. In this guide, we'll talk about 5 food and drink combos that older adults should avoid to stay healthy and reduce cancer risk. We'll also explain why these combinations can be dangerous, what happens in the body, and what better choices can be made instead. Chapter 1. Processed Meats and Soda. Many people enjoy a sandwich with processed meats like ham, salami, or bacon, often paired with a soda. This may seem like a simple lunch, but it's one of the most dangerous food combinations for seniors. Why it's dangerous. Processed meats contain preservatives, such as nitrates and nitrites. These chemicals can form cancer-causing substances in the body, especially in the stomach. When you drink soda, which is high in sugar and sometimes caffeine, it can make the stomach more acidic. This acidic environment helps turn those preservatives into harmful compounds. Health risks. Increased risk of colorectal cancer, higher blood sugar levels, poor digestion and stomach irritation. Better choices. Swap processed meats for lean, fresh meats like turkey or chicken breast. Choose water, herbal tea, or natural juices instead of soda. Chapter 2. Alcohol and red meat. A glass of wine with a steak is common, especially during social gatherings or celebrations. However, experts warn that this pairing may be risky for older adults. Why it's dangerous. Red meat, especially when grilled or fried, can form chemicals that may lead to cancer. Alcohol increases the body's absorption of these harmful compounds. It also weakens the liver, which is responsible for clearing toxins from the body. Together, alcohol and red meat can be a harmful mix. Health risks. Increased risk of colorectal and liver cancers. Inflammation and liver strain. Poor digestion. Better choices. Limit red meat intake to once or twice a week. Drink alcohol only occasionally and not with heavy meals. Consider red grape juice as a healthier alternative. Chapter 3. Fried foods and dairy. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, or donuts are often eaten with milkshakes, cheese sauces, or creamy dressings. This combination may taste good, but it can be very harmful to seniors. Why it's dangerous. Fried foods contain trans fats and acrylamide, a chemical linked to cancer. When you add dairy, which is rich in saturated fat, it increases the calorie load and makes digestion harder. This combination can cause inflammation and weight gain, both of which are linked to cancer. Health risks. Obesity and weight gain. Inflammation in the body. Increased risk of prostate and breast cancer. Better choices. Bake or grill instead of frying. Choose plant-based milks or low-fat dairy, and avoid heavy cream-based sauces. Chapter 4. Smoked foods and pickled items. Many older adults enjoy smoked fish or meats along with pickles or fermented vegetables. While these foods may be traditional or familiar, the combination can be harmful. Why it's dangerous. Smoked foods contain compounds called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which are known to cause cancer. Pickled foods often contain high levels of salt and vinegar. Together, these can irritate the stomach lining and may lead to cancers of the digestive system. Health risks: stomach and esophageal cancer, high blood pressure from excess salt, poor gut health. Better choices: eat smoked or pickled foods only occasionally. Include more fresh fruits and vegetables in your meals. Chapter 5: Sugary breakfast cereals and fruit juices. Many people start their day with a bowl of cereal and a glass of fruit juice. This might sound healthy, but it could be one of the worst combinations for older adults. Why it's dangerous: most breakfast cereals are loaded with sugar when paired with fruit juice, which also contains natural and added sugars. This results in a sugar overload. High sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, inflammation, and an increased risk of cancer over time. Health risks: blood sugar spikes, risk of type 2 diabetes, increased risk of pancreatic cancer. Better choices: choose whole grain, unsweetened cereals. Eat whole fruits instead of drinking juice. Chapter 6: Understanding the science behind food and cancer. To better understand why these combinations are risky, it's helpful to know how cancer develops. Cancer is caused by changes in our cells. These changes can happen due to exposure to harmful substances, unhealthy diets, and lifestyle factors. When we eat certain foods together, they may create a chemical environment in the body that encourages cell damage and inflammation. Inflammation is one of the key drivers of cancer. It's the body's response to harm, but when it goes on too long, it can damage healthy cells. Food high in sugar, salt, unhealthy fats, and preservatives can all lead to chronic inflammation. Additionally, our metabolism slows down as we age, making it harder for the body to process and eliminate toxins. This means seniors need to be extra careful with what they eat and drink. Chapter 7: The role of antioxidants and fiber. While some food combinations may increase cancer risk, others can help reduce it. Antioxidants are compounds found in many fruits and vegetables. They help repair damaged cells and fight off harmful free radicals. Fiber is another important nutrient. It helps the digestive system stay healthy and clears waste out of the body quickly, reducing the time harmful substances stay in the gut. Foods rich in antioxidants and fiber include berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, leafy greens like spinach and kale, whole grains such as oats and brown rice, nuts and seeds, beans and legumes. Chapter 8: Healthy eating tips for seniors. Here are some simple tips for seniors to stay healthy and lower cancer risk. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables every day. Drink plenty of water. Limit processed foods and red meats. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks. Choose healthy fats like olive oil and avocados. Don't overeat. Watch portion sizes. Stay active with light exercise like walking or stretching. See your doctor or nutritionist regularly. Chapter 9: Creating a safe meal plan. It's not always easy to change eating habits, especially if they've been the same for years. But small changes can make a big difference. Here's a sample day of healthy eating for seniors. Breakfast: oatmeal with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Herbal tea or water. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing. Whole grain bread. A piece of fruit. Snack: a handful of almonds or banana. Dinner: steamed fish with brown rice and steamed vegetables. A glass of water or chamomile tea. Chapter 10: Final thoughts. Food is a powerful tool for health. While it's important to enjoy meals, it's also important to make smart choices especially as we age. Some food and drink combinations that may seem harmless can increase cancer risk over time. But with a little knowledge and effort, seniors can protect their health and enjoy delicious, safe meals every day. By avoiding the 5 dangerous combinations discussed in this guide and focusing on whole, fresh foods, seniors can lower their cancer risk and improve their overall well-being. Always remember to talk to your doctor before making big changes to your diet. Stay informed, eat wisely, and take care of your health, because you deserve to enjoy every stage of life to the fullest. Chapter 11. Addressing common misconceptions. Sometimes people think that if they only eat a little of these risky food combinations, it won't matter. While an occasional indulgence may not lead to immediate harm, regular habits are what matter most. For example, having bacon with soda every day can slowly raise health risks even if the portion seems small. It's the long-term pattern that counts, not just one meal. Another common myth is that healthy foods are too expensive. In truth, cooking at home with simple ingredients like beans, rice, vegetables, and fruits is often cheaper than buying processed meals or eating out. Meal planning and smart shopping can help make healthy eating affordable and enjoyable. Chapter 12. Talking to family and caregivers. Many seniors rely on family members or caregivers to help with meals. It's important to communicate about health goals and dietary needs. Caregivers should understand the risks of certain food combinations and be encouraged to offer healthier alternatives. For example, instead of frying foods in butter, try baking with olive oil. If pickles are a favorite, try reducing the portion size and pairing them with fresh vegetables. Family support makes a big difference. Eating together can also be a chance to share healthy habits and build stronger relationships. Chapter 13. Making long-term changes. Changing food habits doesn't have to happen overnight. Start with small steps. Replace sugary cereal with oatmeal 1 day a week. Choose water instead of soda once a day. Swap red meat with fish for one dinner. Over time, these changes become habits. Keep a food journal to track meals. This helps identify patterns and areas for improvement. Celebrate progress, even small wins. Every healthy choice supports better aging and lowers cancer risk. Healthy eating is a lifelong journey, and it's never too late to start. Chapter 14. When to seek professional help. If you're unsure about your diet or have special health conditions, it's wise to talk to a registered dietitian or a doctor. They can help create a personalized eating plan. Some seniors may need to adjust their diets due to medications, allergies, or health issues like diabetes or high blood pressure. Professional advice helps avoid harmful interactions and ensures you're getting the right balance of nutrients. It's also helpful for caregivers who want to better support their loved ones. Conclusion: your diet has a powerful impact on your health, especially as you age. By avoiding harmful food and drink combinations and embracing balanced, nutrient-rich meals, seniors can take control of their well-being. Eating smarter helps reduce cancer risk, supports energy levels, and improves quality of life. Knowledge is the first step. Action is the next. Make one small change today for a healthier tomorrow.